So as you've seen from previous videos, I now own a Tesla Model 3. And all the Teslas come with these cool little cards that are your keys for opening the door and the key for starting the car. And I've seen others do this online, and now I want to try to turn this into this. So the Tesla came with 2 of these cards, but I didn't want to use the cards that came with the car because this involves basically destroying the card itself. So I picked one of these off of eBay for about $10. And also off of eBay, I found these ring blanks. There was a pack of 4 of these for about $5. And now the first step in making this ring is to make sure this key will actually work in the car. So the first step will be to make sure the card actually works. We're going to use our existing card, which we've tested, we know it works. Okay, then we come in here to locks. We're going to start with the new key. Okay, that works. And then we're going to call this So now that we know that the key pairs with the car, our next step is to get the chip and the antenna out of the card. To do this, we're going to need 3 things. Obviously, the Tesla card. We're going to need a bowl, definitely a glass bowl, and lastly, acetone. Now what's going to happen is we're going to put the card in the bowl and we're going to cover it with acetone, and we're going to let it sit until all the plastic has melted off of this card. Hi, future self here. So as you can see, letting the card sit for 8 hours in nail polish did absolutely nothing but fade the coloring of the card from black to gray. So I went out to my local hardware store and picked up this, a huge bottle of pure acetone. Let's see if that does any better. So as you can see, pure acetone did in 45 minutes what a bottle of nail polish couldn't do overnight. So now that we've got the metal and the chip out of the card, it's now time to start wrapping the wire around the ring. Now as you can see here, I'm trying to cut little pieces off of the side of this circuitry because the circuit board there for the chip is just a nth too wide to fit inside the ring. And this is where I began to test fit the wire around the ring. My aim here is to figure out the specific way that it needs to be wrapped so that I can use the ring to unlock, lock, and start the Tesla. And here, instead of trying to shave it off, instead of trying to shave off bits of the plastic with an X-Acto knife, I'm using sandpaper. I saw this in another tutorial, which I will link in the description, and I wanted to see if I could get this to work. And this is when tragedy struck. As you can see, I was trying to force the microchip into the ring, which is never a good idea to try to force electronics into anything. And I snapped part of the circuitry.
You chose poorly.
As you'll see here. There it is right there. All that little black plastic that's cracked somehow is what makes this thing work. And I broke it. So now I'm sitting here with ring blanks and a bit of copper wire that's absolutely useless. So this next bit I'm going to leave up to you. Should I abandon all hope and give up on this project? Or do you think that I should give it another go? Should I go back to eBay and buy another Tesla card and try the whole process again and let you know how it turned out? You guys get to decide. Leave your comment down below or reach out to me on social media and let me know what you think. And if you have any tips or suggestions on what I can do better, also let me know in the comments below. As always, I appreciate you watching. If you like the content you see here, please hit the like and subscribe button and share this video with your friends. I'm Bryant. This has been another video from Reviews for Nerds. Have a great day.